Around 2,000?
Wow.
At the dome gym.
Yeah.
Gym.
Around over 100 invited guests, and the rest will be just women. And we have organizations like DEVA coming, and they're bringing 2 busloads of their members, one for the Western Division and one for the people from Wendina. And we have the women's rights, FemLink. Yes, we have the tag group, the tag group, and we've invited the rainbow people, Skelly. So we are very accommodating and inclusive organization. But for us, this is the 100-year celebration is honoring our past and looking to the future. New beginnings, which will focus on wealth creation for the organization and its members. It's just the Soqosoqo Vakamarama. But we are friends with DEVA, with women's rights, with FemLink, with Women's Crisis Center, with rainbow people, with the tag people. We are friends. And we've invited them all to be part of the celebration. But for the 100 years, it's the future and new beginnings.